something really fun.
Oh, boy.
You would have had to pay for that?
Yeah.
It's like a honeymoon.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh, my gosh. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm ready. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. All
I
right.
need my pencil, but it's freaking me out. Jesus. No.
It's down to the
Cooper, I need it. It's gone. See, it's hiding.
on your buzzers.
No, you
Let's
can't
see
go down
your
there to get it.
final
It's hiding. It's not a toy. Go get a toy.
Sarah, yes.
Oh, dear. I forgot to put on underpants.
That's right, Sarah. Sarah, you're really good at this. And
Sorry,
that
kissing's
means
fine.
that
Just you just
Carol
scare me. You just really scare me, man. And that's my pencil.
strong
Get
body
lost.
is gonna, yeah.
It's not actually for mouths. I'm being a bad
But
influence.
you've seen what happens.
It's gone
so you're
now.
prepared.
Somewhat, but not
Yeah,
really.
Dog.
you can't really be prepared for it.
prepared for it.
What do I think? I'll just do it.
Yes, that's a phone. Freak me out, man. Oh, you know, I need this stuff. Dog can't eat my homework. Cooper. It's not a toy either.
So we know that you're gonna go on Now or Go.
Leave it. No, leave it. It's not a toy.
To play for $100,000.
That's not a toy either. Cooper. No. No. No.
You think you'd really get away with not doing it. Are you sure? I mean, the whole point of
No, that one's not a toy either. I told you that.
make everyone do the weird
Just sit
things.
here and sleep, okay? No, that's my pencil. Oh god. Hi. Hi. Beep 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 beep. Hey. No, no. Cooper?